What is the value of the length labeled in red color? Label points B, C, D, G, and E. Join line B, O. Let angle BDO equals theta, which equals to angle DBO. But triangle BOD is an isosceles triangle. It implies that line BO equals line DO, which is equals to R, the radius of the circle. It follows that DOE is a right triangle. Angle DEO equals 90 degrees minus theta. Thus, angle BEC equals 90 degrees minus theta, which equals to angle DEO. It is because vertical opposite angles are equal. This implies that point B is a tangent point and line BO is a perpendicular line. Thus, angle B equals 90 degrees and angle CBE equals 90 degrees minus theta. Thus, angle C equals 180 degrees minus 2 times 90 degrees minus theta, which equals to 2 times theta. It is because the sum of angles in a triangle equals 180 degrees. Consider right triangle CBO. Line BO equals 4 and line OC equals the sum of line CG and line GO, which equals to 5 as illustrated here. By Pythagoras' theorem, the square of line BC equals the square of line minus the square of line BO. Substitute values and we have the square of line BC equals the square of 5 minus the square of 4, which equals to 9. Take the square root of the equation. It implies that line BC equals the square root of 9, which equals to 3. Triangle BCE is an isosceles triangle. It means that line BC equals to line CE, which equals to 3 units. But line OC equals to 5, which equals the sum of line CE and line EC. It implies that 5 equals the sum of 3 and line EO. Solve for EO. We have that line EO equals 5 minus 3, which equals to 2 units. Therefore, the required length, labeled in red color, is 2 units.